Here at Zest Skin Lounge in Makati. So it's been a while since I actually had a facial, so I think it's time. So we're here in Zest Skin Lounge. I'm gonna do some anti-aging facial. Alam nyo naman, kailangan palagi tayong fresh. So while waiting for my procedure, may pakape din dito. So it's called Bravo Beverage Bar. We just got Spanish latte. There it is. Start the time.
So addicted to life. Let's fill up on all this sun. Set our hearts free to run. Things have only just begun.